Welcome to AI Path. In this video, we're going to break down MCP, the Model Context Protocol. It's the new universal standard that lets any AI connect to any tool. Let's understand what it is and why it matters. Here's the problem. Today, every AI tool has its own way of connecting to external services. Claude has its own method. ChatGPT does it differently. Cursor has another approach. It's like the early days of computing before USB. Every device had a different cable, a different connector. Nothing was compatible. Developers had to build custom integrations for every single AI platform. That's a lot of wasted effort. So what is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of USB. Before USB, every device had a different connector. Then USB came along, one standard plug, and anything could connect to anything. MCP does the same thing, but for AI. It's an open standard that gives AI models a universal way to connect to tools and data. It was created by Anthropic in late 2024, and in early 2026 it moved under the Linux Foundation's Agentic AI Foundation, making it a true industry standard. So how does MCP actually work? It uses a client-server architecture. On one side, you have the MCP client. That's your AI application, like Claude Desktop, Cursor, or ChatGPT. On the other side, you have MCP servers. These are lightweight programs that expose your tools and data. A GitHub server, a database server, a file system server. They communicate over a standard protocol using three main concepts: tools, which are actions the AI can perform; resources, which are data the AI can read; and prompts, which are reusable templates. And MCP has massive adoption already. Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Gemini, VS Code, GitHub Copilot, they all support MCP now. The numbers are staggering: 97 million monthly SDK downloads, and over 10,000 community-built MCP servers. This isn't just one company's project anymore. It's the industry standard. So why does MCP matter? Three big reasons. First, build once, use everywhere. You create one MCP server for your tool, and it works with every AI that supports MCP. Second, it's an open standard. No vendor lock-in. You're not tied to one AI provider. Third, it's composable. AI agents can discover and chain tools together, building complex workflows automatically. Let's see a real example. You're using Claude and you ask, "What's in my GitHub repo?" Without MCP, Claude can't access GitHub. You'd have to copy-paste information manually. But with MCP, Claude connects to the GitHub MCP server, lists your repositories, reads the files, and gives you a summary. No custom API code. No special plugins. Just a standard MCP connection that works out of the box. Let's recap. MCP is the Model Context Protocol, a universal, open standard that lets any AI connect to any tool. It uses a simple client-server model, it's backed by the Linux Foundation, and it already has massive industry adoption. In the next video, we'll get hands-on. I'll show you how to install your first MCP server and connect it to Claude in just a few minutes. See you there.